Hello, my name is Madison Wells, and I will be talking to you today with the company Intertek, which is a leading provider of testing and analysis services to the global food industry. We can help you implement comprehensive food safety and quality strategies and achieve compliance with local, national, and international regulations. We could relocate in France because there's such a worldwide food phenomenon. With this business, more food businesses could boom and allow more variety within the beautiful cities of France. Some contact info for our business: you can call us at 1-800-967-5352 or email us at web.food@intertek.com. I have taken into consideration of how proper business meeting etiquette goes within the country of France. In France, it is important to keep professional life and private life separate. There may be small talk at the beginning of meetings, however, this should remain professional. Avoid asking questions about personal lives of others. The process of negotiation and sales in France is often conducted slowly. Business is conducted on a hierarchical basis, and decisions tend to be made by more senior officials in companies. You should expect there to be a lot of questions asked about any proposals, as decision-making is often meticulous, rather than being off the back of high-pressure sales tactics. Accordingly, such tactics should be avoided. Meetings are very important when leading to final decisions being made. However, it is very rare that decisions will be made at meetings. Once the decision has eventually been made, a comprehensive contract will likely be drawn up. Some proper business attire when going to France versus the United States. France is renowned as a leading hub of fashion. French business attire is stylish and understated. Men should wear dark-colored formal suits. Women can also wear business suits or formal dresses in soft colors. First impressions are largely influenced by appearance. Accessories should be of high quality. When comparing this to the United States, it's pretty close as to what business attire would go for. Dining etiquette in France. Dining etiquette when meeting with different restaurants, allowing them to hear how our business could help them strive for a better menu. This is something we would talk about within the dinner. Arriving on time for dinner is very important in France. It is expected that you should call and explain that you are delayed if you are due to arrive over 10 minutes late for an appointment. You should start eating when invited. You should cross your knife and fork on your plate with the fork over the knife if you have not finished eating, and do not rest your elbows on the table, which is very formal within the United States as well. Your arms should be visible and not resting in your lap. Flowers and wine are often given as gifts. Wine is often considered highly in France. Flowers should be given in odd-numbered bunches, but not in a bunch of 13, which is considered to be bad luck. Wine should always be of the highest quality, and gifts tend to be opened on receipt rather than being set aside to be opened later. Other aspects to consider when moving Intertek to France. Relocation is usually straightforward, and they have such a strong economy that our business should boom in no time. Along with all the tourists that come through the streets of France each year, many of the restaurants should be increasing profits after the high star ratings they will receive after Intertek relays safety and quality instructions on each of the restaurants. It is very important to do research on countries outside of the U.S. when trying to relocate a business or trying to expand. Each country is so different and unique when it comes to business. You have to find what's best fits yourself, employees, and the business as a whole. As for Intertek, I think we chose the best fit in a country that has fallen in love with food for centuries, a place we call France. Thank you for listening, and I'll talk to you guys next time.